Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the graphing calculator on your computer. Again, this video is designed for PCs. There are other versions of the graphing calculator if you're using Mac or even for Android. All right, so first step it says is to go to this website, wabbit.codeplex.com. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. Go to the website. All right, next step it says is to click Downloads at the top. So we'll click Downloads. Okay, once we click that, we get a few different options that come up, but the next thing you want to click is under the recommended download, Wabbitemu. Okay, and let that download. Okay, so after that file downloads, you're going to get this wabbitemu.exe file, and what I did is I just saved it to the desktop to keep it in a simple location. Okay, so now we have the file we need for the calculator. All right, let's go back to the directions. Next step is we have to go to this website, http:// Cypress Stores. So we're going to go to that. And this website is basically going to give us the actual instructions that run the calculator. All right, so let's go to our website. Okay, I'm just going to paste it in right here. And let's see what comes up. Okay, so we're on the site. Next step says to click download. Okay, so we'll go back to the site, click download, and it asks me, do I want to open or save the file? I'm going to click save, and I'm going to save it in the same location that I just saved the other file on my desktop, so it's simple to find. Okay, save it on the desktop. Okay, while that's saving, let's look at the next step. Okay, again, don't change the default name of the file, just leave it the way it is. There's no reason to change that. All right, so now we're going to double click on wabbitemu.exe. All right, so after we click wabbitemu.exe, the following screen should come up and it says wabbitemu ROM selection. Okay, and the directions say we're going to create a ROM using open source software. Okay, so we're going to click on that. All right, so create a ROM using open source software. Click next. Okay, now it's asking me what calculator do I want to emulate. So under the calculator type, we're going to emulate the TI-84 Plus CSE. That stands for Color Silver Edition. Okay, so click on that. Click next. Okay, now it's basically asking where are the instructions that are going to run the calculator. All right, so under operating system selection, we're going to click Browse for OS files on my computer, and then we'll click Browse. Okay, so Browse for OS files on my computer, click Browse. All right, and now we're going to go back and find the file that we downloaded in step 6. Okay, and again, I put it right on the desktop, so it would be easy to find. There it is right there. Click on it, click Open, and click Finish. All right, so once we click that, you can see we get this next screen that says Wabbitemu Export ROM. Let's go back to it for a second. Okay, it's right here. And the next part is in the file name box, we're going to just type in TI-84 Plus CSE. So I'm just going to copy that, paste it, and then we're going to click Save. And notice I'm saving this file on the desktop where I saved everything else. If you want to create a folder to put it in, that's fine. Just keep all these files in the same spot. Okay, click Save. Okay, and now once we do that, the calculator should be ready to launch. Okay, if it does not come up on its own, okay, mine popped up down at the bottom. At this point, you would be able to just double click the exe file and the calculator opens right up. Okay, one other thing you might want to check is that you might have to click View and click Enable Skin. So if you get something that looks like this the first time you open it, you don't see the calculator, just click View, Enable Skin, and there you go. Okay, just click the On button, and now the calculator is ready to work, and you should be all set. Okay, so make sure you just follow directions. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me in class.